In this video, I'm going to show you how to approach a particular people on LinkedIn for jobs, referral, or any kind of recommendation. All right, and I'm going to share my 7 tips, which will definitely help you to get any kind of a job or recommendation that you want from the people at LinkedIn. Okay, so guys, first of all, please subscribe this channel if you are someone who want to learn more about the software testing. Make sure you watch the playlist of Postman, API testing, Selenium, test automation. So we cover lots of different topics, and I hope you will learn a lot. And in this video is basically a part of career related things, career in a software testing, and I'm going to share my 7 tips with you. All right, so let's get started and let's see what are the 7 tips. All right, so let me so I think one of the important thing, the first point, let's discuss about it, which is to the point conversation. So I'm going to give you a very simple example in this case. So what happens is sometimes I suppose I want a referral. Okay, so suppose I am right now in browser stack, and suppose I'm at browser stack working as QA lead, right? You want referral in browser stack, right? So I have given a couple of them, and a few of the people also got hired, right? So I think their approach was very simple. The approach was to the point. I mean, he said the message was something like this: "Hey Pramod, I'm looking for a referral. There was an opening in browser stack for SDET role. I hope you are working in QA lead. Can you please refer me? Here is my cover letter. That is the important thing. And second thing is, here is my resume." And that resume was perfect. It was 1 pager, to the point, nothing else. Right? So according to me, you should basically give a to the point conversation rather than hi, hello, how are you? Sometimes it doesn't work with professionals because hi, hello, it's kind of a conversation that we have with the people where we want to know more about them, right? But if you want referral or any kind of a recommendation, right, to the point, just say that I have this problem. Can you solve this problem? Most of the people are genuine and definitely they will help you for this, right? Trust me, I have tried it, and people have tried with me also. I mean, they got referral from me. So yeah, definitely give it a try. Okay. The second point, which is important, guys, avoid spelling mistakes. This is I think probably the worst thing that you can do. What I have seen is that people basically send me this message: "Hi Pramod." Hi is basically their hey. I am confused. So confused is in short form. So I'm confused, and they have said some problem. I want your referral, and there were some spelling mistakes in the role and something like this, right? Trust me, whenever you are asking for any kind of recommendation, referral, or job opportunity, there's a particular job opportunity that you want to apply, don't do the spelling mistake, guys. Please check it with the tool. You can use Grammarly. So let me share you one thing. So right, so you can use this tool, which is called as Grammarly, which is free, guys. Right, so it's a free tool where you can put your message and basically test it out if it basically doesn't have any spelling mistake or grammar errors. Okay, so you can just click on dismiss, create a new document, and basically create your message and check it out. For example, hello, hi, how are you? Right, so it will say you. This is how you can do it. I mean, you can use Grammarly for that. Okay, just make sure you know that. All right. It's the third point, I think, which is important, and I have said this also many times, which is hook story offer. Hook story offer basically means you can give a hook, something like this. You can praise a little. I think this one is one of the people who wanted to get hired in browser stack, right? He tried with me. He said, Pramod, I have seen your videos and you are doing amazing. I have seen this job opportunity in browser stack as I asked it. Can you please give me a referral? I think you are a QA lead. And this was actually followed the principle of hook story. Hook was basically praising me. Story basically telling about the problem that they have. They want referral. And offer is basically, here is a point, here is a cover letter, and here is a resume, what they want. So hook story offer, I hope you got the point. It's one of the very powerful principle in marketing, as well as it works very well in the personal communication also. Okay, so right. So fourth point is, again, I have told you what is in it for me It basically means that just you can tell them, okay, Pramod, can you give me a referral? Because if I got selected and there are high number of chances, you can have a conversation also if you want that you will get referral also, right? So it is you have to tell them sometimes, or you have to sometimes give them a hint that I will be get selected and you will get a referral bonus for that. So that's one of the important thing where how you can increase your referral things. Okay. Avoid desperation. This is one of the important thing. What I have seen is that people said, "I have lost my job. This is this kind of question." I know this is actually, I know this is a genuine reason, but my point here is, don't be too desperate to give your, or don't be a poor guy, or don't play a victim role. We call it victim role, right? Don't play a victim role. If you, even if you have lost the job and all, what you can do is that you can just tell them, "Hey, Pramod, I'm looking for a job, and this is my experience. This is, you have to show yourself. This is my experience. I have worked on this project. I think I am a better suited for this role or reference. I want this referral or recommendation. Can you give it to me?" So this is how you can do it. Rather than going the desperate path, rather than going the victim role, you can choose this instead of this. Okay. Principle of reciprocity is basically means that this is I have applied multiple times. So what I generally do is, uh, on LinkedIn, I basically connect with most of the time HRs, right? And sometimes they share something, right? For example, they have shared that we want this route. So suppose I want to get to a particular X company. Okay. Now, what I'll do is that I'll connect with these HRs, and sometimes they share something, or sometimes you also share something, right? So what you can do is that you can like their comment, share their comment, so that it will basically help them. Okay, this person is basically liking it, sharing it. Basically means he care about me, right? So HR will have something in mind. Okay, Pramod keeps on liking me or comment on my or basically help me to reach out to more people. Or if he need help, it basically means if he need a job in my company, I will be at the first position. I mean, that's like that exactly they will, it will come into mind. So suppose there is a QA position at their end, and definitely she will reach out to me first, right? Because of this principle, which is called as reciprocity, right? It basically means if you give something to the people will tend to give you back. That's the rule. Okay. I hope you are liking this video. Guys, please subscribe and give it a like so that other people can like it. Okay. People are not liking it. Please make sure you like it. Okay. All right. So the second principle, I think it's very important, which is becoming a part of community and get noticed, which is indirectly means if you're a software tester or any kind of a people who wants referral, job or recommendation, you have to become a part of the community. You can join certain community of testing, or even if you're a developer and all, right, you can join the different communities of developers. You can basically share your article, you can comment on them, liking and commenting or sharing your perspective is also becoming a part of it, right? Sometimes what I have seen is that people don't create content, they don't add videos, they don't do anything, but they comment, they put their perspective, right? So that exactly it's becoming a part of community, right? You can join any community of testing or software related and become a part of it, so that other people who are at a higher level, they can give you more referrals, jobs and recommendation, right? I hope that makes sense. So another last principle is not principle, which is follow-ups and reminder. I think this is one of the important things that I would like to highlight. It's a miss and it's a bonus, guys, for you. So it basically means that what happens is, suppose there's a particular HR and I want job. I mean, there's a particular job which is opening. What 90% of the people are doing is that they will just apply it, or they will just let HR know that, okay, I have applied it, right? But they don't do what is called as follow-ups, right? So if you see, they don't do the follow-up or reminders. So basically you can do is you can create a sheet and follow-ups number, like how many follow-ups you have done. At least you should do 3 follow-ups. Okay, so basically it means, so first of all, the first message will be something like this. Hey, Sneha, I want to apply for this QA lead position. Here is my cover letter. Here is my resume. Can you please help me? She will say okay, and after that she will forget. And second one is basically, hey Neha, how are you doing? I hope you are doing great. And I think I'm the right one. I'm the right person for this job because I have done this project. Can you please let me know if you need anything from my side, to get the process accelerated. So I'm just telling them in a follow-ups. And again, in the third follow-up, I will say similar. Hey Neha, did you get the chance to get get my resume or read about my resume. Is there anything missing that can add, or is there anything that you would like me to add so that I can get selected for it? So basically, a follow-ups. You can do video follow-ups also. You can do text follow-ups also. You can text them also if you able to find the numbers. I have done it, and trust me, it works. This is actually will make you a different and will basically increase your chance to referrals, jobs, and recommendation as a keyword. All right. I hope these principles helps, and thanks a lot for watching. This is your host Pramod. I'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.